Okay, well, you know I must have got a few Johnny Lightnings, eh? Just a few. And you've seen these probably dozens of times already, but this is today's haul. Picked up a Nova. We got a 55 Chevy Kellogg's Pro Stock rods. It's a pretty decent casting. Lots of tempos all over it. Here's a 1969 Nova. It's out of the Calendar Car Series, 2007. Johnny Lightning. Alright. Here's a couple Novas at the bottom. Oh, sorry, it's a Chevelle. The next one. 72 Chevelle, black with flames. And another Camaro. A 69 Camaro from the American Beauty series. Johnny Lightning. I've never seen so many Johnny Lightnings lately. Crazy. Oh, look at that one in the middle there. A 66 Nova. That's nice. It's another Camaro. Corvette. 65 Vet. Dark green. Wow. Alright. And the 66 Terlingua Racing Team Shelby 427 Cobra. Probably said that wrong. But black with flames. Check it out. 68 Corvette convertible. Nice. Good thing I bought a couple extra storage totes this week. We're going to be piling these up somewhere. Okay, 2005 Ford GT. '78 Pontiac Firebird. T-bar roof. A 63 Corvette. Nice. I picked up about 60 of these today. So if there's anything you guys see here, I'm collecting buses and delivery vans and Team Hot Wheel logoed cars. You never know, I might not have them yet. Let me know if you have some that you want to swap around. Just keep in mind, anything over 2 pounds shipping out of Canada costs $25 to send. So if we're going to do some swapping, it's got to be some swapping, not just a car or two, because I just can't ship it. It costs $12 to ship one car from Canada in Canada. It's ridiculous. I don't even want to speak about it, ruin the video. Our post office is pathetic. 65 Pontiac GTO. I'm sure any of you in Canada know this already, and well, it's just the way it is, right? That's a nice car. I'll show you that. There's a dinged up corner here, so I guess definitely got to open that tonight. Firebird, 69 Firebird. Yep. Put that on the ground. And here we go. Hot Wheels Ultra Hots. Opening hood. Highly detailed engine. Nice red lines, nice flames. Black interior. That's a nice little car. So I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Hope your Hot Wheels hunting's going good. 95 Pontiac GTO. Another GTO. Black and red. And another 64 GTO. Look at those wheels. Holy moly. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I've been doing some customs, so I'm going to try and attach a few of those at the end of this video. Wow, I just can't believe how much fun I'm having doing those customs. Nothing too extravagant, but I've had a few sandblasted and switched bases. I've swapped the wheels. I've changed suspensions on a couple. They look pretty good anyway. I think they do. Anyway, 64 Chevy step side pickup. All right. What else we got? 57 Chevy stock rods. Number 8 on it. Running out of room on the table here. Been choked out by Johnny Lightning. Chevy Thunder. Another Corvette. A 1965. Some of these Johnny Lightnings seem a little bit smaller than the 164 scale, but could be just my eyes. AMC AMX. Stubby little car. It's a Krieger 5 spokes. Okay. Well, we got some muscle machines. Dodge Hemi Dart. Look at the tires on there. I could tell you those would be really nice swaps on a delivery van, eh? Nice. Put that motor popping through the delivery van hood. I'm gonna try something like that yet. I could see it coming. Alright. Here we go. We got some more Mopar, of course. What would be a PickerNation haul without the Mopar? Check that out. Charger. Super B. Super Beatnik. 69 Charger. Okay, so next spot, next batch, 70 Plymouth Barracuda. Let's get some kind of mark on inside the carton there. And the 66 Nova, you've already seen that, and the 70 Plymouth Superbird, red and black. Tiny little tires on it though. It's kind of weird. Okay, some more Johnny Lightning. 70 Dodge Super B. That's a nice one. 70 Plymouth Superbird. And we have a Dart GTS 69. Redline tires. Painted white rims. Okay, so next batch, Hot Wheels Ultra Hots. The Spectre, look at that flake paint there with the red line tires. 69, nice. 69 Charger. Barracuda, 67 Barracuda with the red line tires. And we got the Pontiac GTO Judge. Yes, we do. Okay. Wow, another Dodge. Imagine that. Super B. And some Coca-Cola brand. Dodge Charger 66. Okay, the table's getting pretty swarmed out here. Maybe I'll swap a few over here. Oh, check it out. Another Superbird. Didn't have that one yet. Another Charger. Super B. Check that one out. Belvedere GTX. And another 69 Charger. Ridiculous. Nice car. Charger RT. Just about done, folks. It's keep it moving here. You've seen most of these. Another AA Arcuda. Look at that big boy, Roadrunner, and another 73 Charger. That's the last of those ones. Okay. Couple more here. More Johnny Lightning. Imagine that. Another AMX Javelin. Then we got another Challenger. Oh, is that a Demon? Duster, 340 Duster. And there we go. That's the Challenger. That's a CUDA. Limited to 20,000. Why do they call this the Buick GSX? Well, it sure don't look like a Buick GSX to me. See? 70 Buick GSX? No, I don't think so. Oh, no. Wake up. 70 Dodge Challenger. Okay, now we got it. Now we're cooking with gasoline. Here we go. 54 Nash, another one of these muscle machines. I'll be probably ripping a few of those apart. I can see those are great donor cars. Now that I've got the itch to do all the renovating, I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Modifying, customizing. Look at that. Wow, decent. Okay, so I'll just keep piling them up. There's just a few left here. Another Dodge Hemi. Dodge Charger. 57 Plymouth Fury. That is a Racing Champions diecast mint edition. Classified Classics Racing Champions. Woohoo, check that out. Some kind of modified coupe looking thing. Then we have a damage package on the 70 Chevy Nova. Good, I get to rip some more. Okay, so what do I got left? Well, I got a little project on the go here. My next sign is ready for the shop. Ready to do some sanding and painting. What colors should I paint that? Let me know the colors, and you never know. It might find its way to the person with the greatest color scheme. I'm sure that would probably put one of these on your face. So take care, guys, and have a great week, and thanks for watching my video. As usual, take care. Peace.